Today I want to share one very exciting news is that Stevenson is here, and you must have seen several of his tutorial across the various media on art. He's a founder of Color in Your Life, and right now he's in India. He has a huge plan to make several the film about art and the artists. So he's collaborating a lot of artists here in India, and he's planning to do a lot of session with the artist. So my best wishes to him, and very soon he'll be coming with a lot of new the tutorials and courses about the various medium of art. And I think that's a really wonderful opportunity. What we have to go and explore his all of his film, and that will give you a lot of ability to learn and improve our skill. So I'm hoping that I'll be also working with him. So his plan is to do a film, a sort of watercolor tutorial, sort of. Collaboration. So going further, you'll see some of them. If you want to know more about, so please visit his channel. You'll get to know more about his plan. I hope my previous video of this help you to learn to create 3D, the 3D object. So I just thought that I should go a little further into it. And let you know how you can compose your watercolor art, which is having mostly the light and depth and a 3D kind of environment. So I just thought that I should start from there where I have left in my previous video. If you have not seen the video, then I would request you to please go back and see that the first version of it, and then come back here and just see this. That will really help you to understand the entire the journey. So what I want to do here is I want to make the cityscape kind of environment where there will be as I said, the 3D kind of the buildings and high skyscraper buildings and the overall the ambience. So let's go ahead, and first I need to do the sketch. So what I'm going to do here is just in behind there is another building here. Okay, I hope you're not able to see the first one. Okay, that's fine. So there is another building, as I said, and maybe here there's some dome here, and maybe some other building, the architectural building, but we are not going to detail it out. Okay, and maybe here some other building here also. Some more high skyscraper building here, and that also has the similar like the 3D effect and the kind of ambience. And below we have probably some, I'm just ignoring this in this video, this shadow. So we'll just accommodate in entire the series of the composition. And here I'm making probably some restaurant there, boards like signboards, the name of the and here's some restaurant here, or some crowd kind of environment. Maybe here the people. Okay, just here roaming on the street, a lot of gathering here. So that's a kind of the environment we have. So now we'll just quickly get into the painting. So what I'm going to do here is I don't know if just hold on. I hope this is visible. Alright, so I'm using this brush which typically I use. So this is cerulean blue,
I'm going to use the same color here also. So this is, I just want to add some more colors so they'll be a little vibrant. Okay. And the moment I'm going down here, I'll bring a little depth here. So I'll be using a little darker tint here, like the ivory black, and mixing with ultramarine blue, and here a little bit of detailing, not much. And I'm sure you are not able to see this color, so and this is other part. Anyway, so just be free, just put your color, don't think about how things will come. Okay, so I'll just take this color, and this is my sepia. This is the new sepia which I'm introducing here, and just go ahead. This is the another building, and probably this dome I want to make it just a white. Okay, and in fact this entire building I want to keep a white, and a very random work here. Okay, now we have to work on this part. I'll just take a little different color now. This is yellow ochre, and then I'll also use ultramarine blue, I'll not touch on this because I wanted to have that source visible. And yeah, again this is some bit of detailing here, and maybe this time this the high skyscraper building will have something like this. A little dark here. And this is the sign, I mean the kind of the boards and the name of that restaurant or the city street. Just wanted to bring a little variation, so I'm just taking this directly from here and just sprinkling a little bit. And now so I'll just take a little depth here. Some crowd, just leaving that space. and this will be a little here also. We just go a little depth here. So I'm just taking this red color directly and just sprinkling. So this is a kind of craziness, but yeah, that brings a lot of values. And now we have to give a little more depth here. So we need to compose our art, so we need to give a little depth here. Playing with your color, okay, nothing more than that. It's a playful practice. And here I'll just make some. So these are actually some people. And little detail on the windows on this building, just here and there, not much. Okay, this is the another the street light, and you can make another one here. And some electric wire. Yeah, if you want, you can add some more. And yeah, so you have to do a lot of this. You have to do an experiment like this. Okay, just see like how you want to make this a 3D kind of building, and how you are utilizing the various colors. So now you see how many colors I have used. It's a very pleasurable color all over. I've used almost all the color on my painting, and that's the beauty. So using the various color and composing the entire painting is really important. So you start doing a lot of this. This happens when you make a lot of art like this, and I have not spent much time. It's hardly 10-15 minutes of work. So you have to do a lot of this. You really don't need to make the bigger paper. You can take the imperial size or probably a quarter size. That should be enough. The interesting thing is like you have to do a lot. Okay, so hoping to see you again. Thank you so much.